Good afternoon from Lewisham Station. Lewisham. And guess what, everybody? We are now on the Full Journeys route. This time on the Docklands Light Railway. Going through all routes on the Docklands Light Railway. The DLR, to be exact. Starting at Lewisham for this video, we're going to Bank, Lewisham to Bank. So Lewisham starts here, Elverson Road, Deptford Bridge, Greenwich, Cutty, Sark, Mudchute, then Canary Wharf, to then West India, Quay, and then to West Ferry, Line, Naval, and then up there to Bank for the finish. This journey has begun. I hope you enjoy. It's going to be in the front view. Enjoy.
The next stop is Elverson Road. To the right, please move towards the centre of the train, as the first two sets and last two sets of doors will not open. This train is for Bank. The next stop is Elverson Road. To the right, please move towards the centre of the train. This is Elverson Road. To a right, please move towards the centre of the train. Greenwich. At Cutty, Sark, the first two sets and last two sets of doors will not open. To alight, please move towards the centre of the train.
Mind the gap, please.
This is Greenwich. Bank. The next stop is Cutty, Sark for Maritime, Greenwich. Alight here for Greenwich Town Centre, the Royal Naval College and the National Maritime Museum. To alight, please move towards the centre of the train. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. This is Cutty, Sark. To alight, please move towards the centre of the train.
Mind the gap, please.
This is Island Gardens. This is Mudchute.
Yeah, that's very good.
Very small train. Very small ones used to sit on. It was like one massive one of those.
On a massive small train. Yeah, that makes sense. Narrow gauge railway. It is really.
This train is for Bank. The next stop is Crossharbour. On leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. This is Crossharbour. This is South Quay.
Just honestly switch your ears off to her. I'm not even trying to do it. Okay, yeah, I know. That's what I'm doing. Right. No one's actually in trouble. I'm just saying it might be easier for the journey. Think about something else to talk about, like who can spot the weirdest thing out the window. I'm inside, so that doesn't count. And it has to be like a level. Your reflection. Okay, let's think about nice things.
I found it. That building that seems to be moving.
That would be weird. Let's hope it's the train moving, not the building.
Yes, the train moving. But it is still pretty weird seeing buildings through the window.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure I have to leave where this thing.
There's weird roofs on those houses.
I was
That weirdly shaped buildings.
Spiked roofs, skyscrapers.
Weirdly shaped building. That huge building which I don't even know how tall it is.
That's quite weird.
Those literal houses in the middle of the city.
That was also a bit weird.
This
Please
train
in the
is
middle of
full
the
bank.
city
The
and
next
connected
stop
back
is
to our house.
Heron
And the twin and
London
stuff
Underground
in
Jubilee
a lake.
Alright, that's I think in and out. Why is there a candle in the middle of the river?
That's what I was saying. I was talking about that. So I won. I win. I win.
No one wins yet, we're not there yet.
Those posters that came out of nowhere. People rushing on the train when
Well, that was the walkie-talkie.
It's just
The
that weird
walkie-talkie
roof.
set up.
I agree with the roof is a bit
we
weird.
went moving.
I don't think the windows of that building. I don't think they're far away. But look at the windows of that building.
Yeah.
The thing that goes down, even though we don't go down.
If somebody else says something, you don't have to immediately continue.
The fact that those windows are split into four tiny windows.
That's yes, that affects me too.
But you did that to me. Was it why my arm wet?
Guys, can we keep our voices down? That place with overflowing.
How about Joe?
That red loophole there.
Have you tried waving at trains coming towards us to see if you can get anyone to wave back? But what you have to do is wave up front to give the people. Yeah, guys, it will only work if you wave forward to get the train coming towards us. Wait until the place.
This train
we're not
is
supposed
full bank. The next stop is
Wait until
Canary
the lights
Wharf.
stop.
Change for London Underground Jubilee line, Elizabeth line, and stations towards Stratford. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
What's the guys at the end? No, just we've got enough seats now.
We like all being here together.
Yeah, you will.
Guys, I know I'm waving back.
Someone might wave back if you wave.
Move up the window.
I'm going to get a child with me, I'm sure. Move that.
Mommy, move that.
Yeah, because I want to get the outside.
Okay, stand up. Mummy, you can swap in with us.
No, I'm not going to smash it. Okay. Tell you what, you got another little one. Go on, who's
Slim.
go on. Are you sure? Okay, my kids are all there, so you can put yourself in. Okay, alright. Don't sit here.
Whoa.
Might be a better
Yeah, free stand. Not like this, not the tallest stand was on the vertical lift that's attached to it. Then I don't know. Yeah, no, but it's the tallest free stand. It was my next stand. My stand.
This train is full bank. The next stop is West India Quay. Change for the Elizabeth line. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Or look at me, I'll send it to Dad.
The fact that there's another train under us. That's weird because there's a train under us.
And there's a world under that train.
So you don't have to compete with everything anybody says.
And there's the fact that there's a world under that train.
Whenever
is West India Quay.
So that's quite near West Ham Stadium.
Isn't that us? That was right outside of it.
And West Ham are playing tonight.
Yeah. Really good top.
It's like a roller coaster.
Pull 3Gs at the bottom. First of all.
Guys, don't hold on. Sit up and don't hold on. Put your hands in your lap.
And like that, push me in.
This train
But guys,
is
this is
for
where you should try and
The
wait
next
for the
stop
other
is
train.
West
See the
Ferry.
other train, try and wait
The
for it.
station
See
is
if you get to wait.
and London
See if you get it.
When leaving the train,
And then you
please
got
remember
them.
to take all your
It's okay, stop
belongings with
waiting now.
you.
It's just in front of the train. Oh, okay, yeah, just wait. Oh yeah, that's weird. It's actually double.
What did you do?
I did this.
What made Mummy swim at that?
Wait, I did this.
This is West Ferry.
Look out the window. Look out the window.
What the heck?
Look out the window.
What's that man?
That's the window.
What's that man?
What's it gonna
Man, look at the man. Train coming.
We got it, yeah.
Big waves, see if you get them.
Was that random inflatable?
That was a good try there.
He's stopping each other slow.
It's more at the front where you'll get a chance. I'll tell you what, if you get someone waving back at you that I see, when we go to the next place, I might to get you chips. But you've got to get a wave.
I don't see.
No, that's a
It was rather short, wasn't it? Mommy, is that going to drive me on?
No. Oh, here you go.
I need to price that for you.
No, there's no children who have these trains.
Doesn't have to be a child.
What about them in the stops?
What about the child?
Mommy, the stops have, Mommy, it's impossible to get people waiting in time counts.
The next stop is Limehouse. Change for National Rail services. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Darling, that's why. If it was easy, I wouldn't be risking chips on it, darling. Oh, look, there's another train. Wave at it, see? See if you get anyone. Yeah, that was quite empty.
Okay, Mommy, but if someone, there's no one there.
Yeah, it's empty.
So, Mommy, what?
Go to the guys. There's a really sharp turn there, so you should be able to hold on. Sit back and hold on.
Mind the gap, please. This is
No, it's alright, you
Limehouse.
can have it.
I'm sitting forward, so if I
Alright. I'll just approach you, guys, okay? Alright, there you go.
Which stop are you going to?
Bank. There you go, so we'll all get out at the same time.
We've actually stopped.
There's a waiver down there.
What? Oh no!
There's chips.
Oh, well done guys, we got chips.
How?
Thank you for that.
That's all right.
How?
It's alright. Betting on something.
Oh,
Fine,
God.
anyway.
Oh,
So there you go guys, she got away.
2-year-old.
They're good boys, and that's sometimes
Certainly are, certainly.
I don't mind, it helps the train journey.
changed to a London Overground
It is.
Windrush line.
This is Treadwell.
Why are we going to Bank?
Because that's a big station and it's where we're changing.
And where are we going on yesterday?
That's a surprise.
Is it just the place where we get tips?
Possibly, yeah.
Last stop, Bank.
Star Wars?
Star Wars.
The next stop is Bank, where this train terminates.
Did you hear that, guys?
Please remember to take all your
What is
belongings
this
with
map
you.
already?
The next one. I know. You can have it fun.
Is this map?
The next one will be.
Okay, why now?
Yeah, but when we see it.
They're yours.
Oh, yeah, I'm trying to go. Oh, we can't do it. We've got what we left.
The next stop is Bank, where this train will terminate. All change, the London Underground services.
Bank.
Right, guys, get ready to leave.
Have a look. Enjoy your chips.
Mind the gap, please.
This is Bank. This train terminates here. All change. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Bank, where this train terminates. Right, that was my first very ever full journey on the Docklands Light Railway, DLR to be exact as well. From Lewisham to Bank, the first route from Lewisham to Bank. Did enjoy the video. leaving. Press subscribe, like, comment, share the video, share the channel, hit the notification bell. See you soon for more content. It's going back to Lewisham. If you did enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And the next one, it's actually going to be the opposite direction, back to Lewisham, so stay tuned for that. Hope it will be soon. Thanks for watching. Come back for more.